Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this particular video, I will be discussing the latest MCQ question which were asked in DeltaX hiring on 25th July 2025. These are the actual MCQs which were asked in the exam. So guys, 2 days ago also I made a similar video on DeltaX hiring wherein I discussed the MCQ question. You can find that video on our channel. I received a lot of positive response on that video. So I'm expecting a similar response on this video as well. So please make sure that before moving ahead, you are hitting that like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel, because we will continuously make videos regarding different companies which will be hiring for the 2026 batch students. I know the placement season has started, so make sure to be present on this channel, and guys, make sure to join this Telegram group because lot of information I am sharing on Telegram group also. Okay, the link of this Telegram group you will find in the description box. This Telegram group is dedicated for 2026 and 2025 batch students. All the discussions will be happening here. Okay, so now let's start the video. Before starting the video, do one thing: just write in the comment section that when is your Delta X exam, and if exam is done, when is your interview scheduled. All this information kindly write in the comment section so that I can prepare for future videos according to that. So now let's start the video. Okay, so guys, the first question is address stored in a pointer variable is of type. So a pointer variable stores address in the form of integer, not a floating, not an array, not a character, but integer is the address that is stored in the pointer variable. I hope it's clear to you. Next question is convert the following infix expression to the postfix expression. So guys, for converting infix to postfix, first of all, you should know about the priority of these symbols, like what is divide, what is star, what is plus minus. You should know the priority. In the school we used to study board mass, right? So similar thing we need to apply here. So infix means that this particular expression, like a divided by b, so this divide will be in between a and b. Similarly, b XOR C. So this XOR variable will be in between B and C. This is what infix is. That is this expression will be in between. Okay. But what is postfix? Postfix means that these variables, okay, these symbols like divide, XOR, multiply, minus, these will move after the variables. So this C plus D is an expression. This is an infix, but the postfix of C plus D will be CD plus. Okay, this is what the postfix will be. Similarly, E minus A will become EA minus. So similar thing we have to apply for the entire expression. So this is a step-by-step breakdown given here how you can convert an infix to postfix. Okay. So B XOR C will become BC XOR. A divided by B XOR C will become ABC XOR divide. Then into E will become DE into A into C will become AC into. And when we will combine all these 5 steps, we will get our final answer. So final answer will be this. Okay, final answer will be this. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, this infix to postfix thing is a bit complex, so you should know the priority of different operators and as well how to read the expression. I hope this is clear to you. So the answer is C here. Oh, so D here. Okay, moving towards the next question. The average depth of binary search tree is, what is the average depth of binary search tree? So I hope you know what is a binary search tree is. It means that the left element is smaller than the root and the right element, right child, is greater than the root. And if we follow similar thing, the average depth of binary tree will become big O of log n. Okay, this is the time complexity, big O of log n. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Next question is, what are the worst case and average case complexity of a binary search tree? So I've just told you what is a binary search tree, that the left child is smaller than the root and right child is greater than the root. But this is a balanced binary search if all the nodes follow this structure. But what if it's a skewed binary search tree? What do I mean by skewed? Let me just with the help of diagram, let me just show you. Okay, yeah, so this is the root. Now skewed binary will be all the elements on the all the elements of the tree are greater than the root. Okay, are greater than the root. So it means they will form this structure. Okay, this is also a BST. Let's suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this is also a binary search tree, but it is a skewed binary search tree. So what is the worst search complexity of this tree? It will be big O of n, because it is just like a linked list only. So worst complexity will be big O of n. And when it is normal BST, like this, then this, Okay, so in this case, the average time complexity will be big O of n log n. So here the correct answer is this one, O of n and big O of log n. I hope it's clear to you. Next question is, which of the following can be used to get the remainder? When an integer a is divided by integer b, we need to find the remainder. So if we will do a divided by b, so we will find the dividend, okay, not the remainder. Once we'll do b divided by a, it is not a correct thing. Then a mod b. So a mod b will give us the remainder when a is divided by b. This is a mod operator, but this mod operator does. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Now guys, if you have not hit that like and subscribe button till now, please do it, because every like and subscribe will motivate me for making more such videos. And I know DeltaX hiring is will be continuing till first week of August. So make sure that you are present on this channel. Make sure that you are also present on this Telegram group. It's the links are in the description box if you want to join this Telegram group. Regular discussions are happening for DeltaX exam here. And also in the comment section, do mention that when is your exam, when is your coding exam, and when is your technical interview, so that future videos also I can prepare. But just make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for this channel. Every like and subscribe will motivate me for making more such videos. Now continuing to the next question, which of the following is not a type of inheritance? So multiple is a type of inheritance, multi-level is a type of inheritance, distributed is not an inheritance, hierarchical is an inheritance. So answer is distributive. I hope this is clear to you. Next question is, with SQL, how can you insert a new record into the persons table? So out of these three options, you need to find the correct syntax for adding a new record into the person table. So insert values Jimmy Jackson into person. No, this is the wrong syntax. Next is insert into persons, that is a table name, values Jimmy and Jackson. Yes, this is the correct syntax. Next is insert this into person. This is the wrong syntax. So answer is B. That is the this is the correct syntax. I hope it's clear to you. Next question is, if a relation is in BCNF, it is also in 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, or all the above. So how does this flow? The normal forms. So first will be 1NF, okay, then there will be 2NF, then there will be 3NF, then there will be BCNF. Okay, now if a relation is in BCNF, so it means it is already in the third NF, and if a relation is in third NF, it is already in second NF, and if a relation is in second NF, so it is already in the first NF. So here the answer will be all the above. I hope this question is also clear to you. Next question is, what does DNS stands for? DNS is directly stands for domain name system. So just when we type google.com, in the backend DNS server is invoked, and the actual IP address of google.com is found. Okay, so this is DNS stands for domain name system. I hope it's clear to you. Next is again a SQL question. With SQL, how do you select all records from table named persons where the last name is alphabetical between Hansen and Peterson? So you need to find the correct syntax. So select last name greater than Hansen and last name less than Peterson from person. No, it is not correct. Select star from persons where last name between Hansen and Peterson. So this is the correct option here. So next is again wrong because we have found the correct answer. So this is the second one. I hope it's clear to you. Next question is, set of consecutive memory allocation is called function, loop, array, or pointer. So answer is array, because in array the memory is contiguous in nature, because we can search in array using the indexes. So therefore it is consecutive in nature, the memory allocation. Next question is, which of the following is the fastest storage unit? So hard disk, it's the slowest. Then there is SSD. Yes, these are fast. Okay, this is not the option. These are fast, but let's see another CPU register. So these are the fastest. So first comes CPU register, then there is RAM, then there is SSD, then there is a hard disk. Okay, so CPU registers are the fastest memory unit, storage units. I hope it's clear to you. So yeah, these are all the questions, MCQs, that I need to discuss in this video. If you want more such videos, please write in the comment section that yes sir, we want more such videos, and we want MCQs videos, we want coding videos, we want interview videos. And in your college, what is the step of hiring that is going on, whether MCQ test has done, coding test has done, or whether the interviews are in progress. So do write in the comment section. And guys, also Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for this channel. Continuously we will be making the videos, and also join this Telegram group. The links you will find in the description box. Do join it. Many discussions regarding different companies are happening in this group. All the relevant links you will find in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.